Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com, and today if you're a content creator or a live streamer, you want to check out this software right here. It's from Beacn. This is the Beacn app, and it works in conjunction with this mic right here, the Beacn Mic. It's a dynamic USB powered mic that connects to your laptop. Also, we have the Beacn Mix, allows you to control the volume levels physically of 4 different audio sources in real time. Perfect for live streamers. Let's have a look. Let's go ahead and start off with the Beacn Mic. Like I mentioned, it's a dynamic mic. Looks like the Shure SM7B, the very popular podcaster mic, but it has an LED ring around it that's customizable. You can change the color of that. On the back, you do have that headphone jack, and it's USB-C, which connects to your laptop via USB-A. So lots of different types of connection options for you when you go directly into your laptop. But the magic and the secret sauce goes inside that Beacn app. That's where things get really interesting. You'll notice that the microphone stand can be adjusted to get it right to the level that you want it. You can tighten it so that it will hold that place. So you can set it up for pretty much any kind of microphone stand. Now let's look at this Beacn Mix. This is a really crafty little piece of hardware, and it has 4 different knobs to adjust the volumes. Now assigning that all happens inside the Beacn app. This is actually a pretty powerful app, and it's rather intuitive as well. The first thing you want to do is assign those different faders to some type of audio source. So for knob 1, for example, I'm just going to grab the Beacn Mic, which is being recognized here, and simply just drag it on top to have it as the fader 1. And then you can find additional audio sources. This can be applications like Spotify, it could be YouTube Chrome, and you can just kind of drag and drop those different audio sources. And when you're doing a live stream, you can basically adjust it with your hands on the fly. You can even be sound effects. I was thinking about putting my old MPC drum machine to this and using sound effects during a live stream. So like I said, you can choose all the different playback devices, whether it's headphones or monitors, and switch between them. You also have the option, again, of dragging applications like Google Chrome, a YouTube video. Yeah, you can adjust the volume for that on the fly. Here I'm selecting the different audio sources. I can go between headphones and monitors. And if you press the button on the Beacn Mix, you can actually toggle between those two. So just a fantastic piece of little hardware. And the fact that all the software and all the different audio sources are automatically recognized inside that app make this a very powerful piece of a device. Now what I want to do is show you the power that you can do in shaping up your voice inside the Beacn app. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive inside there. I am currently using the Beacn app, and I'm in the right talk zone. If you look at the mic output, you really don't want to peak. And now let's go and try some of these different kind of presets. So right now I'm using the low broadcast voice. I'm going to go to no EQ and see if that affects the sound quality of how I sound. Because if you look at this visual, you can kind of see it moving. Now I'm going to switch to low broadcast voice. So you can see it's accentuating the frequency spectrums right here. And I can still adjust it a little bit more or tune it the way I like. And then I could do this. Now, let me see if I go over here. I'm going to probably really affect the voice. A lot of customization inside here. You got bass enhancer, 4 different styles, exciter. But what I want to do, see what, it's only those presets. Interesting. Now let's go to the compressor and see how this compression works. I'm going to increase the compressor amount. Maybe what I should do is drop threshold and turn it on. So now I got the compressor on. I can't tell really right now what the difference is because I'm not wearing headphones. I wanted to focus just on the interface and not my voice as I'm talking. I can see the compression working a lot. Yeah, what I like is you can see the attenuation. That's the part that's getting compressed. And let me just turn it off. This is compression off. I have compression off. Mic check 1 2 3. This is compression on. Mic check 1 2 3. Very, very interesting and kind of intuitive type of controls here. Now my background is in audio engineering, so I used to play around with this, but usually it was on a physical board, but everything's gone. Noise suppression. Let's try to see an adaptive noise suppression. See how that works. I'm I'm going to turn it on right now. Here we go. Wow, big difference. You heard a big hum. I don't know if the hum was from the mic or if it was from my computer fan, but whatever it was, it's gone now. Let me just go ahead and turn it off. You can hear it. That adaptive noise suppression is very impressive. This is just an excellent combination of hardware and software. A Canadian company, Beacn, based out in Victoria, British Columbia, doing some really cool things with this Beacn mic. A dynamic mic, something I wasn't expecting, but it works really good with the software and the Beacn mix. So if you're a live streamer, folks, this is something you definitely want to check out. I am very impressed. Well, I hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.